Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed a quick tutorial on this look right here, and if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, just keep on watching. So first off, we always do the brows first, and I'm just combing through my brows and then I'm filling them in with my tried and true Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil. It's my favorite, I love it. And after I finish filling in my brows, I'll be setting my brows in place with the Essence Make Me Brow Gel and just combing my brow hairs through that. And moving on to the eyes, I'll be taking my Urban Decay Primer Potion and just blending that in with my finger. And once I finish blending it, I'll be setting it with a translucent powder from the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm taking that first shade right there and just setting my eyeshadow primer in place. And then I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette and I'm going in with the shade Red Ochre, and I'm putting that in my crease and slowly building up the color and working it into my crease. I start out with a very light hand and slowly build up the color, and I really enjoyed using that shade. I think it looks so beautiful. And then after I finish building it up to the desired pigmentation that I want, I'm going in with my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, and I'm going in with the shade Beam, and I'm applying that to my lid with my finger, and then I'm just going to blend it out and make sure there are no harsh lines. And then I'm going back in with my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm taking the shade Cypress Umber, and I'm focusing that on the outer third of my eye to just darken it up and give it a little more smoky look. And I'm taking my Maybelline Lash Discovery Mascara and coating my lashes. And then I'm going over it with the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Taking my NYX Angel Veil, I'm just going to be priming my face. I just like to dot it and apply it to my face like a moisturizer. And then for foundation, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation, and I love it. It's amazing. It kind of smells like sunscreen, but I'm going to upload a review on that very soon if you're interested in watching that. Next up, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution concealer and applying that and using that to brighten my under eye a little bit, and I think that's a really nice drugstore concealer. And I'm setting that with my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm also setting my face as well with the same powder. Next up, taking my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, I'm applying that to my cheekbones and forehead. And then I'm going back in with my Shade and Light palette, and I'm taking that first cool tone shade and chiseling out my cheekbones a little bit and defining them a little bit more. For blush, I'm just going to be using my Tarte blush in the shade Expose and applying that with a stippling brush in circular motion. Next up, I'm just taking my multitask brush and just buffing out the color a little bit. Going back in with Red Ochre, I'm applying that to my lower lash line, and I'm going to take a smudge brush and smudge it out in a second. I always like to apply it first and with a finer brush and then smudging it out. I like the effect it gives. And then I'm going and taking Cypress Umber on a light hand and doing that on the outer third of my lower lash line. Going in with the shade Tempera, I'm using that as my brow bone highlight. And then I'm just doing my bottom lashes as well with the Lash Discovery Mascara. For lips, I'm using Buxom Full On Lip Polish in the shade Dolly, and I think that's a beautiful shade. And then I'm just spraying my face and setting it. Anyways, that completes this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.